Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to random color makeup video. And by the title you probably already know that the color is silver and it's the makeup look I have on right now. But if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so today we're doing a random makeup look, or I'm doing a random makeup look. So I'm shaking my jar and opening it and pulling out a color, and whatever this color says, that is the color of my makeup. Silver! Can you believe that? Okay, so I've looked through my eyeshadow palettes and I found one silver I want to use. I do have a few that is similar, but this one is a little bit more intense in color and I know it will show up a lot better on my skin than the other one. But the eyeshadow palette that I will be using and the color I will be using, and there's only one color, is the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I'm using Fractal, which is this one right here. And with this, I want to be going in with both of these, so a flat brush and an angled brush. I think I want to start with the angled brush, and what I want to do with this makeup look is make a line in the outer corner of my eye and then make this as an eyeliner, and then just have it as a half eyeliner, I guess what you can call it, so it doesn't go all the way to the inner corner, it stops in the middle of the eye and you have an eyeliner there. And then I want to draw a line here that kind of fades up, and then that's it. The next thing I want to do is curl my lashes. And then I want to take my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and apply that to my upper lashes only. Again, this is a very subtle makeup look, so I will bring my face closer to the camera in case my camera for some reason doesn't pick it up at this distance. But essentially what we have is a line here and a line there. And for the last thing we are going to be putting on is setting spray, and I will be using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix. That looks like this. There we have it. Oh my gosh. And here we have it, the finished look, a silver colored makeup look that is very subtle and it's very easy to do. I mean, if you make a mistake applying the eyeshadow with a brush like this, you can literally just use a flat brush and some setting powder to correct it, or a Q-tip or whatever you want. So it takes a lot to get this one wrong. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!